The country tonight remembering Sandra Day O'Connor, the first woman appointed to the Supreme Court.
A groundbreaking figure appointed by President Reagan in 1981. And unlike her colleagues on the high court, she knew all about politics, having been elected to state offices in Arizona.
Here's an interesting story. She graduated near the top of her class at Stanford Law School. A big feat, right? And when she applied for her first legal job at a big law firm, that law firm offered her a job as secretary. Oh, what these people didn't know.
Kristin Thorne with a look now at Justice O'Connor's career and her impact.
Lauren and Bill, one of the young girls she inspired was me. I remember choosing to do a report on Sandra Day O'Connor when I was in grade school. I remember marveling at the first woman on the Supreme Court. O'Connor died this morning in Phoenix following complications from dementia and a respiratory illness. She was 93. Sandra Day O'Connor's trailblazing career as one of the most powerful women of her era had humble roots. She grew up in rural Arizona. Her parents were cattle farmers, and the farm is where O'Connor developed the toughness ranch life can breed.
I tend to be a bit of a pragmatist, probably, because we had to solve all our own problems out on the ranch.
At 16, she graduated from high school and enrolled at Stanford University. She continued her studies at Stanford Law and was one of only a few women in the program. Upon graduation, no law firm would hire her, so O'Connor started her own firm, later becoming a powerful Arizona state lawmaker and then judge. In 1981, President Ronald Reagan nominated O'Connor, a staunch conservative, for the Supreme Court.
She is truly a person for all seasons, possessing those unique qualities of temperament, fairness, intellectual capacity, and devotion to the public good.
O'Connor served for nearly a quarter century. She was described as the ultimate pragmatist and often found herself at the center of a deeply divided court. She cast the decisive vote in scores of cases.
In many respects, for most of that time, it was Sandra Day O'Connor's Supreme Court. You almost could not win without winning the vote of Sandra Day O'Connor. And every lawyer who argued before the court knew that to be true.
Hofstra law professor James Sample worked with O'Connor on judicial issues after she retired from the bench.
She was friendly and engaging. On the other hand, when she disagreed with you or when she thought you were out of line, there was no doubt that that's what she felt.
One of the reasons O'Connor retired from the bench was to take care of her husband, who had Alzheimer's. She became a passionate advocate for Alzheimer's research. In 2018, she announced she, too, was at the beginning stages of dementia. She said then she wanted people to continue with her other main mission, which was to teach young people about civics and their crucial role as active citizens.